Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can link your Google Calendar with Notion. So in your Notion, from the left panel you have to click on this calendar option, and here, as you can see, this is Notion calendar, and it says here that this calendar is integrated and synced with all your Google Calendar events. So it basically means that when you press this continue with Google button, it is going to link your Google Calendar with Notion. So what you have to do is you have to simply press this continue with Google button. It'll take you to a new page, and here it will ask you a couple of permissions. Simply press continue to Google and it'll take you to the sign up page. Here select your desired account, and that's it. So simply press continue and a couple of more permissions, and here you go. So that is it. That is how you link or how you sync your Google Calendar with Notion. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.